Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. So today we are back to sanding. So with that being said, let's get to it. Alright, so I got this bad boy all sanded down. I have identified the low spots. There's a few up here. This is sanded through to the primer, so I know that I'm not going to sand that anymore. Come down here, there's a spot there, on the fender. We identified those. I identified that last time. So I believe that's all the spots. Actually, that is all the low spots. And then down here, you'll see I just sanded down through the primer. They're not low spots, it's just where the primer's shooting through, so those are good. So let me mix up some body filler, we'll slap it on, and then continue sanding that off. Well, my helpers just finally finished up here. Took them a while, but they got the car all dusted off. But anyway, I got everything all filled and sanded down. This is what this looks like. It's nice and smooth. You go like this, so you can see there's no dents. Coming down here, that spot's nice and smooth. And then down here is also smooth. And then come across the fender here where the flat part is. Got it all filled. You can see where the filler was, or is, and filled that really nicely. And then come over here, and look at it like this. And it is nice and smooth. It does look like it's dented, but I think it's just, I don't think it is. When I rub my fingers across here, it feels really smooth. And then also when I look at this angle, it's pretty smooth as well. Hi, Dixie. So everything filled in really well. So everything's nice and smooth. That's not filled, that's actually just part of this thing. But anyway, so yeah, this fender is pretty much done. I got about about 2 hours or so just sanding on this, filling it and then sanding again. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. But I want to thank everybody. That's going to be a wrap for this video. I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any comments, put them down in the comments section. If you smash that like button and the subscribe button, that'd be great. And then we will catch y'all next time with some more probably sanding and body work, but we will see. So thanks a lot. We'll see ya.